You're listening to the Call Kent podcast, where Kent C. Dodds answers questions and gives insights to software engineers like you. Now, let's hear the call.
Hi Kent, my name is Brian. I can't wait to go through the new material on EpicWeb. I'm wondering what you consider full stack, as I have come to learn that full stack means different things to different people.
And that was the call. Here's what Kent had to say.
Hey, Brian, thanks so much for the question. So, full stack, it does have various or a variety of meanings. In the context of EpicWeb, full stack means you can build an entire application with this stack that we're working on. So we're going to be covering everything from the UI piece, like from style sheets and HTML and CSS and JavaScript and stuff in the client, all the way back to databases. So we're going to be optimizing database stuff and also doing authentication, even two-factor authentication and that sort of thing. We're not going to get so much into DevOps. There already is a course on EpicWeb. It's a free tutorial on how to deploy a multi-region app all over the world, or multi-instance in multiple regions all over the world with the database and everything. So that's already covered on EpicWeb. So that's not going to be part of the paid workshops because it's free. So that's as far as we get into the DevOps stuff. We also do cover in the paid workshops sending emails. That's another big important part of full stack stuff. We don't get into things like cron jobs or schedules or queues or stuff like that. That will probably come in volume 2 of EpicWeb. So it is planned eventually, but that's not going to be a part of EpicWeb. I think that hopefully answers your question. As far as full stack is concerned, it's pretty much just everything that you need to build an application, which is going to necessarily involve front end and back end related stuff. And so that is what is covered in EpicWeb as far as full stack is concerned. So hope that answers your question. Have a good one.
This has been the Call Kent podcast. Learn more about Kent at kentcdodds.com and get your own questions answered at kentcdodds.com/calls.